Good morning, students. Today we are learn about the interesting topic is Pert. What is mean by Pert? Program evaluation review technique. This is that is called Pert. First, the program evaluation review technique or Pert is a visual tool used in a project planning. Using the technique helps projects planners identify starts and the dates as well as interim record, task and timelines. The information is displayed as a network in chart form. Then we will see the definition of Pert. Define Pert as a project management tool. Okay, first you have learned what is Pert. Then definition of Pert, project management tool. Then that is used for planning, scheduling and coordinating tasks. Okay, these are the three important of the one project. Okay, then purpose of the Pert in education. What is the purpose in Pert education? First one is planning curriculum development. Curriculum is a basic on the education. So Pert is help to educate us and planning curriculum and development. Then organizing events, managing educational projects efficiency. These are the purpose of the Pert. Then key components of Pert. Explain the essential elements of Pert, including activities, events, and the critical part. Then activity identification. Discuss the process of the identifying and defining activities within an educational project. Time estimation is Pert. Time is the basic need for the all projects. Okay, first one, explain how Pert assists in estimating the time required for each activity, considering optimistic, pessimistic and most likely scenarios. Okay, first one, optimistic and pessimistic and the most likely scenarios. New network diagram. Network diagram is the one of the important topic for the for pet education. Introduce the concept of the network diagram and how they visually represent the flow and dependencies of activities in a project. Then critical path analysis. Explore the critical path in Pert, emphasizing in significance in determining the minimum time needed the project completion. Benefits of the Pert education. What are the benefits in the Pert education? Okay, let me discuss about the advantages of Pert education. First one, improved planning and resource allocation and the better decision making. These are the important and benefits of the Pert education. Then case study and application. Present a practical example or case study showcasing how Pert can be applied in a specific educational context. What are the characteristics of Pert? First one, it serves as a base for obtaining the important facts for implementing the decision making. First character is decision making, and second character is planning for the all. Planning for all. Pert helps management in deciding the best possible resources utilization method. Pert is educating for utilization method. Pert take advantages by using time network analysis technique. Network analysis technique. Then Pert presents the structure for reporting information. It helps the management in identify the essential elements for the completion of project within time. It specifies the activities that form of the critical part. It describes the probability of completion of project before the specified date. It describes the dependencies of one or more tasks on each other. It represents the project in graphical plan form. Then estimation of completion time of the project is given by the Pert. It helps the project manager in identifying the critical path activities, and Pert is the representation of large amount data. It will easy for the easy for the project and handle very easy. Next one, disadvantages of Pert. The complexity of Pert is more, which leads the problem in implementation. Maintenance of Pert is also expensive and complex. It is the very important point of the disadvantage, it's very expensive. Then distribution, the actual distribution of many different from the Pert beta distributions, which causes the wrong assumption. It under the estimation the expected project completion time was there, chances that other paths can become the critical path if their related activities are different. Then we are going to conclusion. Pert is the one of the planning tools that used by project manager worldwide. Pert helps project managers to get a clear idea of how to manage and plan their project and concerning resources and time. Thank you so